Our country, Pakistan, is a low-income country. We are in constant economic crisis. We have lost our economic sovereignty. We at Prime believe that the solution lies in untapping and unlocking the potential of wealth which lies within our country. For that to happen, we need a paradigm shift. And in particular, we need to change our taxation and tariff policies. We at Prime believe that introduction of a new taxation system which is based on flat, predictable, low rate and broad-based system can really help unlock this potential. We also demand for introduction of a new tariff policy which is minimal but uniform across the board. We ask the federal government to minimize its wasteful expenditure, losses, and improve its performance.
Policy Research Institute of Market Economy was established in January 2013 as an independent economic policy think tank and is currently organized as a trust registered in Islamabad. Over 2013 to 2019, Prime has played a lead role in national debates on public debt, National Finance Award, tax reforms, and information technology. Prime was successfully restructured by becoming Pakistan's first domestically funded independent economic think tank. It has published more than 100 reports and papers, organized more than 100 events and seminars, and have reached to thousands through its media appearances and digital media.
What is wrong with our economy?
While I am a fan of market, let me make a general statement that we have not really opened up this country to market in true sense.
Okay.
Right? So we still have government everywhere or in most of the sectors. If not directly, then indirectly through regulation, through taxes, and through many other measures, we still have a heavy footprint of the government.
आज़ाद तिजारत ऐसे ही है जैसे आप जाके मार्केट में कोई चीज़ खरीदो फरोख्त करते हैं.
Prime's Government Policy Scorecard, 10 reports over 2013 to 2018, encouraged democratic accountability and performance culture acknowledged by the government. Our report on Information Technology Agreement 2016 led the Ministries of Commerce and IT to endorse Pakistan's accession to the agreement and move a summary for cabinet approval. Prime's distinguished fellow Dr. Ikramul Haque's study towards flat, low rate, broad, and predictable taxes was helpful in piloting some tax reforms in 2019. In its reports, published in 2016 and 2018, Prime recommended to lift price controls on the pharmaceutical drugs. In 2020, the government lifted price control on many medicines. Prime work on street vendors' rights led to a draft of Street Vendors Protection Bill 2020, which is now being discussed with the government and parliamentarians.